Make money doing absolutely nothing. If you like to work, then this video is not for you. This is for people who want to make money and also do absolutely nothing. So, are you ready? Before we get into the video, welcome back to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. If this video helps you a bit, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Now let's start the video. Warning, your payouts may differ with time. One day you might make a lot and also the next day you may make a little. So please beware before you continue. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and making money just for making coffee, making money just for walking over to the couch and lying down, making money going to the wardrobe, going to the car, and of course, as crazy as it sounds, as long as you have phone with you, you can also earn money using the restroom. Now this sounds like some pretty bold claims, right? Yet I assure you I have done this myself and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it on this video. There is an app out there that wants to pay you money just for moving around, and I know this works because, well, I have done it myself. Now technically you are doing something right, but let me ask you this. Do you keep in mind getting up today, walking to the wardrobe, going to the restroom, making coffee, grabbing a bagel? You most likely don't. You most likely have forgotten everything about those different things, how you have gotten from one place to another, and that's the beauty of it. So this app works and you make money for all of the things you have not even thought about. The things that you do every single day. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to download the app and I will show you what to enter just a moment to do that. So now when you sign up, you are going to enter in just some basic information about yourself, like your first name, your last name if you want to, and then enter in an email or a phone number, and that way they understand it's you. You are a real person and that you are utilizing this app to generate tokens. As well as there is a lot of various other things that you can do with this app. You can cash out, you can watch a few videos, as well as you can also earn additional tokens doing that. But the magic on exactly how this whole thing occurs is truly when you grab your phone like this, as well as you turn it off. So you lock your phone. So I'm on the screen here. I will tap on the wallet and then I will go on and lock my phone by pressing the button on the side of the phone, as well as I put the phone in my pocket, and that's it. And I will go on with my day. So it type of looks something like this. Now there is a couple of ways to get the app. You can go over to the Apple App Store right on your phone and search for an app called Lifecoin. Also you can see some screenshots. However, you can likewise read a lot of the reviews of this app. Now a few of reviews are pretty good compared to a lot of the other money making apps available. So make sure to scroll down and read several reviews if you wish to before you download the app to ensure what you are getting yourself into. For Android users, there is also an option for you. If you go to the Google Play Store, you will find the Lifecoin app over here too with many reviews. Some of them are excellent reviews and some are alright. Some people have had some problems with the app, yet I assume some of those issues have already been solved. So ensure to go through right here and read all the reviews before you proceed. Yet lots of interesting and exciting and truly happy people are using this app. Now you are probably wondering, well, that seems fantastic. Yet how do I earn money with this app? Therefore, if you go over to the website, you are going to discover many fantastic details. Yet there is one section over right here that shows you how you can take your tokens and redeem them for amazing prizes. As well as one of those rewards is a PayPal gift card. So they have a $100 PayPal gift card. Once you get enough tokens for the equivalency, you can exchange that for a PayPal gift card. Once you can do that, you can have $100 of funds transferred to your PayPal account if that's what you choose to do. But there is likewise a few other choices right here, such as an Amazon gift card, an iTunes card. If you like music and videos, that might be something to check out. However, you can also purchase a phone, an iPhone or an iPad right on the app. Now you have got to have a good amount of tokens. So if you are the kind of persons you are always on the go, you walk around downtown, you like to go for daily walk, or possibly a few of you like to run. Suppose you are usually a relatively active person. In that case, you are going to have a higher chance of getting your tokens high enough so you can cash it out for an iPhone. Wouldn't that be cool? That's all for this video. Let us know how much money you earn utilizing this strategy in the comments below. If you consider it helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you want to watch this kinds of video in future, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.